Welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me, Huion Kamvas 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this pen tablet to your computer. So firstly, you need to open your Kamvas 12 box and find inside the cable, the most important cable you need. So as you can see, there is the one cable that is really strange. So on the one side we have one USB-C, and this we need to connect to our tablet, but from other side, as you can see, is streamline, and we have three cables. So we have USB cable, normal USB cable. This USB cable we're using to connect our tablet like pen tablet. We have red USB. This is the DC in. This is like a power source for display. And here we have HDMI. HDMI is the cable that sending image from your computer to the display. So here we have two devices in one. For example, now I will connect just only USB for computer. So USB for pen tablet. As you can see, these two cables I have disabled. And now, so sorry, I need to open the Huion application, Huion tablet application, working area, and change it to another display, and cool. So as you can see, now it's working, and just using the one cable. But if I will connect another one, and it will be better if you will connect it to the charger, for example, not to the computer. But if you have no charger, you can connect to the computer too. But in instruction they write that it would be better if you will connect it to the charger. So I have connected it to the charger, and this HDMI cable we need to connect to the computer. But unfortunately, I have connected this display you see right now. I have connected two displays, and I have no free slots in my computer. So unfortunately, I can't show you how it works with the picture. But now, as you can see, it works and it's detectable by the application. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.